makes this masjid a means of freedom from the Jews. And also later on he mentions why we have made all this center and this setup is because we need to teach people the importance of Salah, so they can have the importance of Salah in their lives. We have our Facebook page, Instagram page, and we also offer different kind of courses for our students, for people from all around the world, so they can know the importance of Salah.
وأيضا نحن نقيم مثل هذه المعارض وكما
So the hadith mentions here that Anas radiallahu anhu says that sometimes Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam used to sit between the two sajda so long that we used to think that Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam forgot to make the second sajda. So he used to sit for so long and used to in the du'as, رَبِّ اغْفِرْ لِي رَبِّ اغْفِرْ لِي رَبِّ اغْفِرْ لِي وَارْحَمْنِي وَاهْدِنِي وَعَافِنِي وَارْزُقْنِي وَاجْبُرْنِي. These are the du'as Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam used to read when you, which is called jalsa, you sit between the two sajda. So try to make a lot of du'as when you are sitting between the two sajda. Don't hasten and don't hurry in your salah.
ونذكركم